Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you some of my Montessori hands-on fun activities for toddlers 2 to 5 years old. This first activity is a letter recognition activity. We're going to focus on the letter D for dinosaur. We're going to use a free printable. This is from the Measured Mom. I laminated it, but you can use it just like this. Today, I'm going to use it like this. All right, we're going to use a manipulative. I'm using some dinosaurs, and I'm using some pom-poms. I also have magnetic letters, the letter D, and some stickers. Okay, so the very first thing that we do is have our toddler trace the letter D, and we say the sound D, D, for dinosaur. This is a dinosaur. D. Then we can have our toddler place some manipulatives around the letter D. So we're going to put the little dinosaurs all around the letter D that says D. And then for this bottom part, you can use some pom-poms, and you can have your toddler put the pom-poms all around. So on, and they continue putting them. And then another thing that they can do is use stickers. As they're taking the stickers off and putting them on their paper, this is a great activity. Fine motor skills. They can put stickers all the way around, or they can use the do-a-dot markers and just go all the way around. This is a fun way for children to learn their letters and to just have fun. This next activity is a visual discrimination matching activity. I'm using some cards. These are from Dollar General. There's 36 cards in the box, but for this activity, I am only going to use 3 cards. I'm also using some dinosaurs, and these are from Dollar Tree. I'm using 3 cards for this activity. So what we're going to do, we put the cards down, and we ask our toddler, we show him the card. This is a T-Rex. Can you find the T-Rex and put it over here, match it? So they get the dinosaur and they match it right there. What about the Stegosaurus? Can you see what's on his back? Oh yeah, right here. So match it right there. What about the Spinosaurus? Can you see the spine? Oh yeah, match it right there. This is a great activity for visual discrimination, for building vocabulary, and for matching. Now, if your child is a little bit older, this box comes with 36 cards. So you can add more cards and more dinosaurs. But for toddlers, maybe 2 years old, 3 would be enough. This next activity, we are going to be reviewing shapes. So we're going to use a puzzle. This is the Melissa and Doug Shapes Chunky Puzzle. I love this puzzle because the shapes are chunky. They're perfect for toddler hands, and they can stand the shapes on its side. So that is awesome. So you can move the shapes to the side. You can talk about the shapes. You can talk about, this is a star. Where does it go? Have the child put the shapes where they belong. Triangle, square, diamond, circle, oval, heart, rectangle. The simplest way to teach shapes is to talk about them. Talk about the shape. Talk about how the circle is round. Can you find something round? Can you find, what else is round? Maybe a ball. So that is what we're going to do with this. Okay, I also made some cards, and I included a dinosaur, and I put a shape next to the dinosaur. We have a dog, a door, and a diamond. So we put the cards down, and then we ask our toddler, can you see the dinosaur? What shape is next to the dinosaur? Oh, a square. Can you find the square and place it next to the dinosaur? What about the dog? Oh, that's a circle. Can you find a circle? Put it next to the dog. What shape is a door? Oh, that's a rectangle. Can you find a rectangle? Put it next to the door. What shape is this? That's a diamond. Can you find the diamond and put it next to the other diamond? There you go. This is a great way for children to practice learning the names of the shapes while they're having fun. I'm also using this book. It's a Shapes Baby Animals book, and this is from Dollar Tree. So it also has the shapes inside, the circle, the square, triangle, and rectangle. I really love these books from Dollar Tree. They're very inexpensive. So puzzles, when the children are working with puzzles, it really helps develop hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills as they're picking up the pieces and putting them down. It helps with critical thinking and with concentration. Puzzles are great to have for toddlers to use every day. This next activity is a tracing activity. We're going to use a handout, and I got this from this book. This book is from Dollar Tree. It's a super coloring and activity book, and I liked it because it has a dinosaur. It has a lot of activities, and it also has some stickers, which I thought were kind of fun. But for today, we're going to be working on this guy, this dinosaur. So I made a printable out of this, and we're going to use a dry erase marker and a little eraser. So what you're going to have your child do is just trace the dinosaur. Just go all the way around and trace the dinosaur. So your child goes all the way around tracing the dinosaur. This is a great activity. Tracing promotes writing readiness. It helps develop concentration, and it's a great fine motor skills activity. For this next activity, we're using some kinetic sand. We're going to call this kinetic sand alphabet dig. I'm using some of these little dinosaurs. These are called alphabet dinos, and the company is Bowley, and it's some of their learning resources. So for today's activity, I'm only using the letter A, B, C, and D. So what you're going to have your child do, they can use a little shovel to dig the kinetic sand, or they can use their hands. Oh, here's half of a dinosaur. It has a letter. Let's find the other half. That's the letter A. Okay, I'm gonna look for another dinosaur. That's the letter B. What I like about these, that the color matches, so they have the uppercase and the lowercase letter. Okay, let's look some more. Oh, here's another dinosaur. That's the letter C. These are so cute. And there's the letter D for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Now, if you don't have these, you can just use regular plastic dinosaurs from Dollar Tree. Another thing that we can do is with one of these, this is one of the Play-Doh molds, you can have your child press and make the letter D for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Dinosaurs? Oh, good job. Can you find another one? Good job. One more. What color is that one? Red. What color is that one? Blue.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Good job.
Green.
It's yellow and red.
Oh. Red.
Red. It's yellow and red too, a little bit of red. Good job. Green.
One, two. Oh, I see yellow.
Green and yellow. Yes, sir. One more. Good job. As we work with our toddlers, remember that their attention span is very short. Have books that they can look at, like this one. It's Dinosaur Dance. This one, Dino's Rainy Day. This is actually from Dollar Tree. These are great books to have around the house for them to look at. And this is an activity pack, and it comes with crayons, stickers. It comes with a little picture they can color. It has a little stand, and it also comes with some stickers that they can use. This one is a color by number. This is also from Dollar Tree. Now, I do not really care for these little markers, but you can use regular size markers. Washable markers are the best. So this is one way to entertain your toddler. Just have them color. This is a color by number, but they can just color any way they want, either with markers or with crayons. This pack was also from Dollar Tree. It comes with a little canvas. It has a dinosaur. It has some paints and a paintbrush. Learning should always be fun, especially with our toddlers. I hope you enjoyed these activities that I had for you today, and I'll see you next time.